We start our day by saying goodbye to our little house. Thanks, little house. Cute room, cute kitchen. Now we're off on a big adventure. The car's gonna get it worked out now. Bye, Gems. Bye. Okay, here we are in the car, ready. James, oh, drop the camera. James is putting petrol. See? Hi, James. No, you can't see me. So we're just putting petrol, ready to start our day. Show you where we're going. So we're up here, right at Darwin, and then we're going to go all the way down to Litchfield National Park. That's about an hour 16, and then we're going to go all the way down to Catherine. That's about another 2 hours. So, and then we're going to do the gorge tomorrow. Quick Macca's stop for breakfast. Nom 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 nom. We've hit the highway and we've just passed the 130 sign.
The car just got there.
James is very excited to go 130 kilometers an hour. It's a whole lot of nothing out here.
Got some trees for now.
At 130. Can the car even go this fast? So our first stop on Litchfield National Park are the termite mounds. So there's termites living in those. Yes. If you're ever considering coming to Litchfield National Park, we didn't realise that the entrance to the park, to like the end of the park where there's like a big tourist facility, is 48 kilometres.
From the beginning?
From the beginning. So as well as the turn off from like the main highway is about half an hour. So yeah, something to factor in if you're ever coming this way. So now we're on to the next point, which I think is only a couple of kilometres away.
Yeah, I think it's about 10 minutes.
Yeah. You can swim here. Ah! He just splashed. Was our next swimming destination. We have to take
Much needed.
135 stairs all the way down to the falls. Hello. We did the falls, which was absolutely stunning, but we decided to take the 1 kilometre walk between the first creek and the second falls instead of driving, but it's very humid and hot. Oh. So now we're just walking back.
It's all part of the experience.
All part of the, that's where we're going. Bluey Rockhole. Bluey? I don't think it's Bluey.
I don't think it was Bluey.
But I like Bluey.
Right.
But it's definitely not Bluey. Bully, I think I heard the guy say. Anyway, now we're walking back the 1.5 kilometres after some lunch, I think. This is lunch. We were so stressed because we just drove like 24 kilometres into the park. Oh, hot. Did it food. This is the only cafe. And we got here at 1:47 and it was like last orders at 1:45. And I had like a full panic being like, we just drove all this way and we're starving. But now we're okay. So we're gonna eat our food now.
There was a walk and
Alrighty, starting our 3-hour drive to Catherine. Also, if anyone was interested, our playlist for the next 3 hours is old classics.
And she's very proud of her playlist.
Hence the John Farnham. And the next song, oh, Dolly Parton, even better. This is my mum's favourite song actually. So this is what we'll be listening to for the next 3 hours.
What, this song?
See you in Catherine. Hello. We've arrived in Catherine after our 3-hour drive. You know when you've been driving for 3 hours and you're like really excited, and the hotel side, there was like a bar next to the pool. It was also like the best rated place in Catherine. You got this cute little table. The floor is just magnificent. And then this is
The bathroom floor is even better.
this is it. This is what, yeah. So, and apparently there's a microwave in the pool area, which is just as riveting. So, we're gonna go find something to eat. And then we will hang out in this cool room. Great. Here is our pool. Here is our dinner. Tonight's dinner. Remember how we're at that fancy place? And this is what we're eating now. Coleslaw, cheese and crackers, dip, cukes, plastic plates and cutlery. We went to get a roast chicken and they were absolutely sold out of roast chickens. So we've
Looked like they were never there.
So we've gone with the barbecue by the pool. Well, good start. Still in my betas, still haven't changed. Are you right there?
Huh? Just get my coleslaw ready.
What a day. What an interesting day. What a random hotel room to stay at. Oh well, it's all part of the experience.